Hey guys, this video is very different from anything I've done up to this point, and to be honest, something I've been procrastinating for a very long time. Ta-da! I haven't opened it yet, but I'm 99.9% sure this is the YouTube silver play button for hitting 100,000 subscribers to my first Orgo channel. And one of the reasons I've been procrastinating with this is a lot of people, when they do this, get all crazy. Yay, 100,000, I'm so excited. And honestly, that's not me. If you watch my videos, the more excited I get, the more quiet I get. I know, I'm the type of person who never shuts up unless I'm really excited, then nothing. So I was trying to build up the energy to do some crazy video, and I decided, you know what? You're not following me for any sort of crazy fake enthusiasm. You're a subscriber because clearly you're interested in the type of videos that I have, the way that I speak, sometimes too fast, sometimes too this, sometimes too that. And that's what I'm most grateful for, because I don't really like being on camera. I get uncomfortable doing these videos, but I know that the feedback that comes in is so positive that it encourages me to step out of my comfort zone and keep making these videos for you. So let's see what we got here. All right, let's see. Oh, upside down. So this says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know the numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope you don't lose sight of the reality. Blah, 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 blah. Here's the thing. They're wrong. They're saying I achieved this milestone. I got this just for talking. But really, this milestone is all thanks to you for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel, and being a loyal follower. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Let's get past that. And here we go. Look at that. It's not very clear, but you can. This is something that I have been hoping for and working for a very long time. But to be honest, in a way, it doesn't really matter. And don't get me wrong, I am super, super excited. But what I mean by this is a lot of students come to me for help with science, and for this channel, specifically organic chemistry, because their professors treat them like a number. They're just another person in the class who the professor doesn't have time or patience for, and the professor doesn't take the time to actually get to know the person and help the person. So being excited for something like this almost feels hypocritical, because I want my students not to feel like they're just another number. I want you to feel like you and I are having a conversation. Now, the time I record the video to the time when you're actually watching it is not the same, so it's not always a live conversation, but I still like to feel like you're stuck on something and I'm helping you with it. You give me feedback, I make more videos, so it's kind of like that back and forth conversation rather than just 100,000 random nameless, faceless people. So I'm very, very excited. I am thrilled to have reached this milestone. Thank you so, so, so much. But at the same time, I will always try to remember, I'm not making these videos for 100,000 people. I'm making this video for you. And if you take the time to reach out to me and to send me a question or a thank you, I read every single one. I try to reply to every single one, and I am eternally grateful for everything you've done for me up to this point, for allowing me to essentially live my dream and do the thing that I am most happy doing. Because being able to do this for you and being able to actually support myself with my Lay It For Side business means that I don't have to get some boring job that I don't like, because you're allowing me to do what I love doing. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And here's to the next milestone. To me, my next milestone will hopefully be putting out yet another amazing video for you. And your next milestone, whatever it is that you're working for, the next quiz or exam, I'm going to wish you the best and try to help you as much as I can. Thank you.